This is Sam. Cooper. Whoa! We are here at Krul Lake. We've been camping 2 nights, but then we're heading back soon. But we got one last hurrah, which is we're gonna ride up to Hurricane Lake and get some fishing in. And we got these little telescoping poles. Sam's got it loaded up on the bike. Got a beautiful little TW here, and Sam needs to put it in their contacts. And I don't know, it's kind of fun. Cool. This is good. This is what I imagined. So we made it here. Not Bear Lake, Hurricane Lake. Sorry, there's a lot of lakes out here. And it was a nice ride. Pretty easy. We did a little detour, but nothing too crazy. What do you think, Sam?
Yeah.
Way easier than yesterday. Even if you almost dunked it in the sand. It's pretty beautiful. That's a nice little spot. Little picnic tables. Yeah, get a little beer. See, I need the little handle thing now.
I know.
For the vlogger aesthetic. See, there's one on the other side too.
Yeah, look at that.
See people on the boats. Water's beautiful today. Tons of little fishies. And we're gonna try to do a little bit of fishing. So.